In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set a trailing stop on Tradovate. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradovate.com. Also be linked to it down in the description below. From here you'll need to log in to access your Tradovate account. And you can do that by clicking on your username and password and then click login. Once you've logged in, you'll need to select a trading mode, and you can either choose the live trading or the simulation trading if you have a demo account. So just click start trading down here, and then you'll go inside of your dashboard where you can start trading. Now from here you'll need to go up to the left hand corner and go up to where it says trading up here. From here should be something like this, where you'll be able to select your symbol or position that you want to trade with. So just click this off and see all of these instruments that you can trade with. From here you'll need to select the buy option, and you'll need to select the quantity of how many of these positions that you want to have. From here you'll need to go down to order type and change that from what it is on now, probably market, to trial stop down here. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that you'll have flags that you can change and a release date. Once you've done all that, you can click send, and then from here the position will be opened. And you can see that under orders down here, and once the order has been filled, it will automatically go over to your positions, and then you can see it down here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!